Good morning, panelists. Prior to the assessment, I should go to the assessment center early before 7 a.m. and check the completeness of the assessment tools, materials, supplies, and equipment, as well as the health and safety of the assessment area. I will also check the assessment package if it is available. Now that everything is in order, the assessment center is ready for the assessment. Before I start the orientation, the TESA representative will hand over to me the documents needed to conduct the assessment, the specific instructions, assessor's guide, rating sheet, and competency assessment results summary, together with the appointment letter. The AC manager will hand over to me the accomplished application forms, accomplished self-assessment guide, and blank attendance sheet. Now I can start the orientation. Good morning, everyone. Before we start, shall we say a short prayer? Please stand up. Amen. Okay, please take your seats. Good morning again and welcome to Lighthouse Training Center Incorporated. My name is Amando Cuevas. I am an accredited competency assessor for Barista NC2. Before I start the orientation, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the following: our TESDA Director, Suharto T. Manguda Datu, our Regional Director, Jovencio M. Ferrer Jr., our District Director, Cariza A. Dacuma, and our TESA representative, Marian Makili, and AC Manager, Juan de la Cruz. So, you do not have to worry about their presence, okay? They are here to oversee the conduct of the competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. They will not assess you, okay? So don't worry about them. But before I start, let me check the attendance. When I call your name, please sign the attendance sheet and please present your admission slip and your valid ID so that I can validate your information. Okay? So, Miss Anita, please sign the attendance sheet. Where is your ID and admission slip? Thank you. Okay, same signature and correct spelling of name. Okay. Next, Miss Bonita. Miss Bonita, where's your ID and admission slip? Thank you. Please sign the attendance sheet. Okay, same signature and correct spelling of name. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now, good morning again and welcome to the assessment day here in Lighthouse Training Center Incorporated. Today is June 6, 2024, and this is the day of your assessment for Barista NC2. So the purpose of the assessment is for certification and for employment because most of you here need a certification to apply for work locally and abroad. Is that true? Okay. And also, the purpose of the assessment is for you to know if your knowledge, skills, and attitude are sufficient for Barista NC2. Clear? Okay. My role as your assessor is only to observe and listen, gather and record evidences, and evaluate your performance during the assessment. Is that clear? Okay. So the presence of the process of the assessment, you will be assessed based on the basic, common, and core competencies. Now the core competencies are: core number 1, prepare espresso. Your task is to perform dosing, tamping, and extracting of espresso. Core number 2, texture milk. Your task is to perform stretching and texturing milk. And core number 3, prepare and serve coffee beverages. So you will prepare and serve both hot and cold coffee beverages. And core number 4, perform basic maintenance of machine and equipment. And core number 5, perform basic cashiering and general procedures. Is that clear? Okay. For each core competency, you will be given 1 hour for each, for a total of 5 hours. Is that clear? Okay. As your assessor, I am going to collect all the evidences using the method of demonstration with oral questioning. So for demonstration, you will be given 4 hours, and for oral questioning, you will be given 1 hour. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So after collecting all the evidences, I will consolidate them, and after which I will give you feedback and the result, whether you are competent or not yet competent. If you're competent, it means your knowledge, skills, and attitudes related to Barista NC2 are sufficient. However, if your result is not yet competent, it means your skills, knowledge, and attitude for Barista NC2 are not yet sufficient as of the moment. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Later, I will discuss the issuance and validity of the certificate and reassessment procedures. Okay? Now, reminders, always wear your PPE and always check the health and safety of the area. Is that clear? So for do's and don'ts, please listen to my instructions carefully. If there's an accident or you have any medical condition or you're not feeling well, please inform me because we are well monitored by TESDA. No, don't roam around. Don't leave the assessment area during the whole assessment period. And don't use your cell phone during the whole assessment period. Okay? Also, don't share or tell your experiences to your co-candidates about your assessment. Is that clear? Okay. For allowable and reasonable adjustments, this is to give everyone here equal treatment. No? If you're having a hard time understanding the instructions because of language barrier, please inform me and we can have the instructions translated for you. In case you're not feeling well, you are taking maintenance or medication, you're hard of hearing, please let me know so we can provide special accommodation for you. Okay? And for religious practices, if you need to pray during the assessment, we already prepared a prayer room just down the hall, and just inform me if you need to pray later, so we know where you are. So later when we are looking for you, at least we know where you are because we are well monitored by TESDA. Okay? Now regarding the confidentiality of the assessment, please help us by not sharing anything with anyone about your experiences and contents of the assessment. No? That includes social media like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and others. Is that clear?
Yes.
Thank you. For the right and appeal, you have the right to make an appeal if you are not satisfied with the process and results of the assessment. No? And it is valid for 24 hours. Is that clear? Okay. Now, for the issuance of the Barista NC2 certificate, the certificate is valid for 5 years and it is renewable provided that you submit a copy of your COE related to Barista NC2. The certificate, by the way, will be sent to your email before. So before you leave, please check your email address if it is correct. The certificate is free, but you will pay only 30 pesos for the processing fee. The releasing of the certificate is within 3 to 5 working days. That clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now for reassessment procedures, you need to ask yourself when you are ready and when you want to be reassessed. Also, when is the available schedule for the assessment? So you have to call the assessment center. And you need to prepare 1,350 pesos for the reassessment fee. In case you get a result of not yet competent twice, you need to undergo a refresher course. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. But I'm sure that you will pass today. Okay. Also, please sign the consent form if you haven't signed it yet or submitted it yet. This is to allow TESDA to capture your image and video as part of the assessment process because you have cameras in the assessment area. If you need to go to the restroom, it is down the hall to your left. For lunch, if you want to buy food, we have a canteen down the hall to the right naman. So if you're feeling hungry later during lunchtime, you can just buy food so you don't have to leave the assessment area because we are well monitored by TESDA. We also have waste segregation bins, medical kit, and a fire extinguisher just outside the door. In case you need them. But I hope we don't need the fire extinguisher later. There? Okay, so Anita and Bonita, are you ready?
Yes.
So let's proceed to the assessment area. Please follow me. Okay, please take your seats. Okay, so please wear your PPE. So welcome to the assessment area. And here are the specific instructions for demonstration with oral questioning. So please read them and follow them carefully. I will give you 5 minutes. Okay. Are you done? Okay. Do you have any questions with the instructions? Huh? How about you, Bonita? Huh? Okay. Just put that there. Okay. So since you have no more questions, Anita, please stand up and follow me. Okay. So please take your seat. So here are the tools, materials, supplies, and equipment to dose coffee grounds. So you will be dosing coffee grounds. No? So while you are performing, I will evaluate you using the rating sheet for demonstration. Is that clear? Okay. So I will give you 10 minutes to perform. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you may start. Okay, done? Okay. So Miss Anita, please wait in the waiting area and please call Miss Bonita. Okay. Miss Bonita. Hi, Miss Bonita. You take your seat. So, Miss Bonita, here are the tools, materials, supplies, and equipment to those coffee grounds. You will dose coffee grounds, and while you are performing, I will evaluate you using the rating sheet for the demonstration. No? I will give you 10 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, so you may start. Done? Okay. So, Miss Bonita, please wait in the waiting area and please call Miss Anita. Okay. Okay, Miss Anita, please take your seat. Since you are done with the demonstration, let's proceed with the oral questioning. Okay. So, question number 1, why is it important to keep your tools, materials, and equipment clean? Okay. Question number 2, why is it important to measure the ingredients properly? Okay, so thank you, Miss Anita. Please wait in the waiting area for your feedbacking and please call Miss Bonita. Okay, Miss Bonita, please take your seat. Since we are done with the oral demonstration, we will now proceed with the oral questioning. No? So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so question number 1, why is it important to keep your tools, materials, and equipment clean? Okay. Question number 2, so why is it important to measure your ingredients properly? Okay, so Miss Bonita, please wait in the waiting area for feedbacking with you. Please call Miss Anita. Miss Anita, please take your seat. So, since you're done with the demonstration with oral questioning, based on the evidences, you were able to perform all the critical aspects during your demonstration, and you were able to perform them correctly and perfectly. So, congratulations. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, so during the oral questioning also, you were able to answer all the questions correctly. So, congratulations also. So, based on the assessment, based on the evidences, the result of your assessment is you are competent. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. So since the result is competent, please sign the rating sheet. Okay. Here you go. And the competency assessment result summary. Okay. Thank you. You can have the points. Thank you. Okay. So, reminder, the processing of your certificate is within 3 to 5 working days, no? And you will receive it via email. So please, before you leave, please check your email if it is correct. Okay? It is valid for your certificate is valid for 5 years and renewable, provided you submit a copy of your certificate of employment within the duration of 2 years, no? Related to Barista NC2. No? So thank you very much, Ms. Anita, and congratulations. So, please call Miss Bonita. Okay, Miss Bonita, please take your seat. Since you are done with the demonstration with oral questioning, so I already gathered and evaluated all the evidences based on your demonstration. So, based on your demonstration, you were able to finish on time, and I admire your hard work and effort in performing the tasks. No? However, you were not able to perform properly the critical aspects needed. And you were not able to perform dosing of coffee grounds, and you forgot to clean your work area after performing. No? So my recommendation is to review and master how to do stuffy grounds. And remember to clean your work area after doing your tasks. Okay? For oral questioning, you were unable to answer all the questions. So please review again your modules to gain mastery. Okay? Now, based on the evidences that I gathered, your result is not yet competent as of the moment. Huh? So, do you have any questions? No? Are you okay? Oh, okay. So don't worry, I will explain the reassessment later. So please sign the rating sheet. There you go. Thank you. And also please sign the competency assessment results summary. Thank you. Okay. So now before you leave, I would like to remind you about the reassessment procedure. So you can have your reassessment procedure at any given schedule, but you have to ask yourself if and when you are ready. And also ask the assessment center when is the next date of the assessment, available assessment. Also, you need to prepare 1,350 pesos for the assessment fee. And I hope that you gained a lot of knowledge and experience today that can help you for your reassessment. Okay? So congratulations for doing your best and the hardest. It was nice meeting you, and good luck on your reassessment. Okay? Nice to meet you. So you may leave. Okay. So as an assessor, I updated the attendance sheet by putting the results of the candidates. For Anita, it is competent, and for Bonita, it is not yet competent. I also signed the attendance sheet. I will forward the assessor's guide and the specific instructions to the TESDA representative. I will forward to the AC manager the accomplished application form, accomplished self-assessment guide, attendance sheet with results, the CARS with results, and rating sheet with results. And this is the end of the assessment. Thank you.